What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So today wasn't really the best day. When it comes to the overall portfolio, comes to the unrealized gain, it was not the best day. It's an unrealized loss, actually, but it wasn't the best day. And I want to make this quick for you guys, but make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Remember, in the live streams, it's easy to recognize anybody that's a member. So if you want to become a member, make sure you click that member link. It's only 99 cents. And if you don't like it, then cancel after the first month. But I'm pretty sure you will like it because there's a lot of people that want to respond in the live streams, and I want to continue to get asked the real questions. So if you are a member, it's easy to point those out. But let's talk about this because I have two things that I did today. I was looking to do some day trades, but then again, it was more bearish than anything, so it was very tough to be able to do that. Even though I did see some really good opportunities, I decided to hone in on some different opportunities to save some money or bring some money as cash rather than holding as securities. So first was FuboTV. Now, FuboTV had a large rise today. If we look at what happened today, let's break this down. So FuboTV had a large rise today in the beginning of the day. As I seen this large rise, I ended up selling somewhere around the $24 mark, somewhere around $100. I gained about 90 something dollars from FuboTV from my sell. It went up probably another $2 after that, which I could have gained, or $1.50 after that. I could have gained about $250. My overall target was $200. It did pull back on me a little bit before that, so that's why I ended up selling at the point that I was selling, because it was pulling too far away from the 15 moving average, and that's what I didn't like. Seeing that 15 moving average and it pulling too far away from that, it kind of sucked. So as I seen that go up, I was like, all right, well, it's being oversold, so I sold off my position. It started to fall back down to where I said I will buy back in at $21. If it goes down to the $21 mark or $20 mark, I'm in there and I will buy 100 more shares, looking for that to increase to about $23, $24, gain about $300 from it, and that would be good. So I sold my position. It is decreasing right now, currently down to $23.05, and I'm waiting for that to continue to drop down. Now, that was a $100 gain. Now, what I also did was in SOS, I had a cost basis of $5.50, and it increased in the beginning of the day. All the way up to $5.60. I sold somewhere above my cost basis, only with a $4 gain, which is fine with me because I wanted to take that crazy movement and then pull away from that. So what I was going to do was take the crazy movement, sell my position, and then wait until it gets to a reasonable price to buy back in. My reasonable price was around the 520 mark. So I ended up waiting and waiting and waiting until it got to about 520, to where it did end up decreasing a little bit lower down to 515. But I bought in at 521, and now I'm holding at 521, which would be a 30-cent difference. So I wouldn't see that huge decrease or that huge movement there. If it does go below $5, I have more money to put into it to average down even more. And I think that'll be a really great situation at $5 rather than anything else. Now, people do believe that this could skyrocket. I'm only looking for a couple of dollars out of this. I'm never looking for anything like crazy. I'm never looking for it to absolutely double, triple, quadruple, anything like that. If it does do it, then great, but I'm not really looking for that. I'm always looking for a different type of swing trade, trying to get in and out of the position as kind of quickly as possible, just to make my moves, make my money. But that was another $4 gain that I had while putting my money back in there. So ultimately, I made about $100 today of realized gain. Anything unrealized, there's been a number of unrealized losses, like Zomedica increased in the loss, also cost increased in the loss. If you didn't see my other video, Romeo Power increased in the loss down to $9.65. I bought in at $11 with 100 shares. I do plan on increasing that quantity a little bit. So we'll see how that plays out. But that was my overall portfolio. That's what happened. It was a $100 day, nothing too big, nothing too small. I'm perfectly fine with gaining $100 a day, and you should be too. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. I always try to make these videos for everybody. So it's not just for AMC, it's not a GME, it's also everything. So if you want any suggestions, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Let me know that you did your due diligence. Tell me exactly why you think it's a good investment, and then we can go into that, because I always like to hear your side of it before I jump into my side. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also join my MP Shorts channel or my Perry Experience channel. And if you want to become a member on this channel, click that membership button, join. It's 99 cents. And if you don't like it, you can cancel after the first month. But I think you will like it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.